All right, so Jack King here, Arizona Home Floors. We are on a job that we've just previously tore out a bunch of ceramic tile, and the customer wants to do some remodeling to this wall over here. So we're going to pull off all the cultured stone and tear off the tile around the fireplace using the DustRam system. We're going to take some masonite and protect these walls. We're going to cut them to fit so that any of the stone, if any of it happens to fall, it can't fall through these windows. But this is just kind of what we're starting with right here. Yep. Yeah, I'd like to see a rubber boot like that. That's it. Okay, so we've just done the first phase of this. We've removed all the stone from all the edges that you can see up through there and took the ceramic off around the fireplace. And what we're going to do now is we're going to take our grinder sitting right over there, and we're going to go ahead and grind over the top of these vertical walls to remove traces of mortar, grout that's going to stick out past the finished elevation of the drywall. So if we do this stuff with our equipment, we pretty much should be able to go over this fairly dust-free at this point with the grinder, and then the drywall person just has to come through and just kind of fill in the holes. Obviously he's got to be careful of dust on his part, but we'll have done a lot of the really horribly bad stuff that could have gone wrong. We can take care of it with the DustRam system, and you've seen how clean we can do it so far. So pretty amazing stuff, this equipment. Cool. Okay, so we are finally done. If you take into account our breaks, we took a couple breaks. It's just about 1:45 right now. We got here about 7 o'clock, started unloading. So this thing took us about 5 hours total to do. And you can see that it was done pretty much dust-free. We even took our little grinders, and when we went up on top of the drywall and ground all the leftover thin set and the broken pieces of the drywall that was kind of in the way. So we really smoothed it out pretty well for the drywall person to come back in and then, you know, do his repairs. Of course, they're gonna have to retexture and do some stuff, but at least most of the messy stuff is done and over with that DustRam system. So this is our first time that we've had an opportunity to use the DustRam system on this cultured or, you know, imitation stone, and I think it works pretty good, as you can see. So if you've got a project like this, and in this case the customer here, his wife is on oxygen, so she's real careful about the dust. They can't have any dust here. When we tore out last week a bunch of marble and ceramic for them, so that's why we're back here tearing this out. We can do it dust free. It's called the DustRam system, and you contractors need to get one. Thanks.